Aggressive initiation activity is basically a significant price movement or a trend. It is caused by aggressive buyers pushing the price higher or by aggressive sellers who are pushing the price lower. This sort of aggressive buying or selling often takes place after sideways price action activity. What happens is that big institutions are building up their positions in sideways areas, and when they are done with that, they start aggressive buying or selling to manipulate and to move the price in any direction they want. Two typical examples of sideways price action areas followed by aggressive initiation activity. We can't see the intentions in sideways price action areas, but when the trend starts, we know if the institutional accumulated positions were long or short. If there is a strong uptrend after a sideways price action area, then we know that the positions that the big institutions were accumulating were long positions or vice versa.